Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, this time I'm here in Ubud area. This is Jalan New Kuning, guys, in Ubud. I don't know if many of you been to this area, but probably not, because this is not kind of like the center area of Ubud. The center of Ubud, from here, it will take you around maybe walk 15 minutes or 20 minutes walk, but it's pretty close to Jalan Pengosekan in Ubud. And what you can find here, it is just the village vibe, and this is the main street. It's a bit busy, but I want to take you to Jalan New Bulan, I think, yeah, the name, if not mistaken. It should be very nice there, guys, because they have like I said, village vibes, and then they still have the penjors there. So it's pretty good. So why not? Let's go and walk around. And also there are like some tourist spot or hot spots there. So let's see, guys, the situation there. Yeah, this is the main street, which is Jalan New Kuning in Ubud. The not good things from this street is, as you can see, there is no footpath, because yeah, most of the street like this in Ubud area, it is, I think, it is not designed to be as busy like this. It is village area, so the street is not really big. Well, what is this on the left side? I think this is new business, guys. It is Sakra Stuja. It is a restaurant, I think. Yeah, they have breakfast, lunch, dinner, bar, restaurants, and etc. This is pretty new. I didn't see it last time. It should be good. They will have view at the back there. Nice view. Should be jungle view. But I don't know how big is the jungle. Money changer here. But I don't know. It looks good. And there's some money changers also down there as well. If you go to that side, you still will see some rice paddies. And also you can find some what you call that, accommodation, like villa or homestays like that. And down here there is a big hotel as well. I mean, for this area it's considered big. It is a leke. Yeah, Alam Jiwa something, the name is not mistaken. Okay, let's keep walking. We are arriving here at my one of my favorite street here in Ubud. I mean, we are talking about the village. This is also one of my favorite village in Ubud area. It looks pretty with a lot of the, what you call that, the traditional gates and all the plantation and the penjors, of course. Look at this beautiful penjor, isn't it? Let's just keep walking. And last time I came here, there are more and more cafes around in this area. So yeah, I just hope that even though there are some cafes open, but still they maintain the styles of this village, the traditions, of course. It looks not really modern, yeah, hopefully. And there are some spas already here. This is very new. Last time I didn't see this. And it's right here also, Coco Life Healthy Store. What is this? We have frozen berries, we have, what is this, raw fruits, almond, coconut, cashew milk, and many more. And another spa here. Studio Sama, nails and coffee. There are some people there as well. Yeah. Anyway, more and more businesses here, but I think it's still pretty. It is okay. I mean, it is maybe good for the local people because they can open up or start a business, or they can rent their part of the house so they can make a better living. But I just hope that the vibe of this village is still remaining calm. Whoa! My goodness. That is what happens sometimes when you walk around in Bali. You need to watch out from the scooters, the cars, but sometimes, you know, the dog just barking from nowhere, just like that. It's a bit scary, because the problem is when you get beaten by the dog in Bali, the pain is maybe not much, but You need to get like rabies vaccines like that. It's a bit difficult in Bali, probably there is, but quite expensive. But for locals also it's quite expensive, yeah. So yeah, I just hope that the dog lovers or the people that have dogs, they take care of their dog properly. Anyway, let's continue. Let's keep walking. What is this here? It is Bali Sour. Oh no, Bali Soul. It is a small cafe as well. They have a looks nice food, Indonesian food as well. And it's also right here. Oh, it is closed today. And what is this here? Take a pause, come as you are, share the moment, let's connect. What is this? I think it's coffee shops, yeah. I think there are a lot of nomads people live also around here. So there will be more business like that, small cafe, coffee shops like that. And right here also another new restaurant here. It's not a restaurant, yeah, like a small cafe as well. But they're selling a lot of Indonesian food. I think the price is okay. From here we can see chicken burger is 35,000 rupiah. And they have, what is that? Tuna steak, 45,000 rupiah. And the drink also, juice, only 18,000 rupiah. Pineapple juice, 15,000 rupiah. So I think the price is good there, guys. The juice and the food, it is very good price, especially in a touristy area like this. And what is this? It looks nice cafe. I think, what restaurant is this? It is close, yeah. I don't know what's the name. Turn right here, there is a football field where the kids around here will play football or will just have fun here. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite busy. And that side, as you can see from here, there is a clinic, guys. That one is the Yayasan Bumi Sehat. It is a very good clinic, helping a lot of people. They are based on donation for the mothers, pregnancy, giving birth, and etc. And right here, this is the mother restaurant. I don't know why they call it the name of this cafe or restaurant, Mother, from someone's mother or something. Yeah, this is the new business. Last time I showed as well, but I think still not open yet. I don't know. Yes, it's your favorite warung here. Yeah, I think this one, some people mentioned about this warung. If not mistaken, the name is Warung Pojok, yeah? Yeah, it looks good. There are some people there enjoying their food. What is this? This is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So tea time? Oh, no, early dinner maybe. And right here we are entering Jalan New Bojog. Yeah, from here you will see like a lot of tourist hotspots, cafe, restaurants, hotels or accommodation. Yeah, let's see what is happening. So for you that looking for somewhere maybe a little bit quieter, not quieter, yeah, just calmer a little bit, you can stay around in this area, and this is what you can expect, guys. And this is quite new restaurant. What restaurant is this, yeah? Arabic or something? I don't know. I don't see the name from here. Anybody know about this place? Maybe you can let me know, let us know. It looks good, to be honest. The design is a bit different. And here another warung. Yeah, this is belong to the locals, so maybe you can come and shop at this kind of place sometimes to support the locals. And that kind of business is owned by the local family there. And here in front of us, this is the LPD Desa Adat New Kuning, guys. Yeah, this is interesting because I don't know if other province in Indonesia they have this kind of system. This is a bank for the village. We call it LPD. So every village in Bali, we will have the bank like that to help the Bali people with the economy. So it's easier for them to borrow money, to to help anything for a business, for the lights and etc. Less what you call it, yeah. It's just easier, and the LPD, it is working with also with the government bank, so it is really good. It helps a lot as well. But anyway, there is a shops as well here, but you can get a lot of sarong or batiks, I think. Yeah, it looks good as well. If you like to do some shoppings, you may do so. And this cafe, Opini Garden, looks good, guys. I think where you can watch the World Cup, yeah. As you can see, a lot of flags there. And the cafe looks good. And for sure, you will see some more here. I think I had food here last time with my wife. Warung Bepase. It is nice as well. A new cafe here. I don't know. I think they are building a bar or a restaurant maybe. It looks really good, really big. And some more here. And there, everywhere in this area. So yeah, have a lot of options here. What's this, pescado? I think there's one here, and they have it also in Sanur. Yeah, at this time most of the cafes are still quiet because it's a bit early. Maybe later at dinner time this area will be packed. Yeah, maybe next time it's a good idea to come here, especially during dinner time. Let's see how busy it is. This will be really busy in this area. And this is Ubud Wana, guys. Ubud Wana Hotel. Yeah, it looks big from outside. I mean, again, there are many like big hotels in Bali, but for especially in this area, it's considered big. Yeah, it's nice view, jungle view. And this one, Blind Cafe. Oh, it's quite busy as well, yeah. I got a bit short throat, so my voice is not really good. I hope you can hear me clearly. But anyway, yeah, the weather in Bali is a bit, how to say it, yeah? Strange a little bit. In the daytime, it's very hot. And at nighttime, it is very cold. So if you are in Bali, yeah, just take care, be careful. Sometimes you can get flu easily. So yeah, take a good rest for me as well. And this is Black Sheep, guys. I don't know, somehow this cafe is always busy. As you can see, some people there. And we are getting closer to part of the monkey forest. We will see some monkeys here. Yeah, we can see a little bit here. That is the part of the monkey forest. As you go down, this is the Alam Indah. Have you been staying here? Maybe if you stay there, sometimes the monkeys will visit you, especially during breakfast. They're trying to get some food. You can see some monkeys from here. And here, what is this? Flamero? I don't know. I think it's been here for a long time already. Only me that I don't really notice it before. My friends are here. Well, they're also. We can see the monkey from here. Ooh. And still, at this time, some people visiting the monkey forest because, yeah, monkey forest in Ubud is one of the famous, maybe the most famous attractions to do or to visit, a place to visit. But if you are visiting Ubud, there are a lot of nice places to visit, like monkey forest, rice terrace, jungle swing, and etc. So yeah, it is good. And the good things for Ubud tours, even talking about tours, the good things is the distance from one place to another place is not really far, guys. Let's say from here to waterfall, for example, it will take you around maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes. You will arrive it. If you go from here to the rice terrace, maybe it's just about the same. So yeah, that is the good things. In a day trip, you can visit like a lot of places. Comparing to other tours, for example, like east of Bali, There are some nice places in East, like Tirta Ganga, Taman Ujung, for example. But yeah, I mean, it is far, especially when you stay in South. It will take you 2.5 hours or 3 hours drive until you arrive there. So yeah. Anyway, there are a lot of places in Bali that you can visit. I thought there was something performing, but there are just some monkeys there. Few monkeys. Since right here is the famous place, which is Bakery Bohemia. I think my daughter and my wife are here. Ah, there they are. Hello. Let's have a seat here and have some drinks and bread. Hi, what do you have here?
Banana
Chocolate.
bread and brownies.
Wow, you like it? Good.
Hey, don't do that to your hair.
What? Oh, that one. Why? It looks nice. Just a little bit, yeah, because I got my sore throat. Yeah. Thank you. Anyway, this cafe is really famous, guys, in this area. It's not only for tourists, but a lot of domestic people or local people also like to come here sometime because I think the price of their bakeries is okay. It's good, yeah. Yeah, start from less than $1. So I think yeah, it's good. How much is this my total?
I order another bread.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Still haven't
3
come yet.
bread, 1 coffee, only 91.
It was a nice walk in this area in Ubud. So what do you think, guys? You like to stay around here? Yeah, as you saw earlier, it was nice, a bit calmer, I can say. And yeah, a lot of things also, cafe, restaurants, and accommodation. So it must be nice to stay here sometimes. Okay, so I think that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again at the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.